Today is all out day. Hey Bubba, you ready? All right, buddy. Let's go, Squid. Where's she going?
Bye.
All right, buddy. Hold on. Come back for you in a minute. Okay, ready? Let's go, Bubba. Okay. Yep. Good boy.
Good boy. Now we are ready to go.
Like a good boy. We're getting the boat ready to be stored for a while on the Ark. So we wanted to take off all the isinglass, but we wanted to clean it first, make sure it was real nice, take it all off, and store it properly. And when we get back to the boat, we want to put it back on and it would be clean. So we had a lot of prep work to do to make sure that everything was tied down and we didn't have to worry about anything while we were gone. We arrived at the marina in the shipyard to get hauled out. They put a couple people on the boat to help us get into the slings, and the Megatron travel lift was already in the water and they were waiting for us. We pulled up, we threw the lines, and we got in the slings, and it was pretty easy. It was a little tight here, but we made it in, no problem. And really, this lift is huge. We call it the Megatron. It's pretty cool looking piece of machinery that's controlled with a remote control. Pretty crazy stuff here.
Rudder's way back there, right?
Rudder's pretty far forward.
I feel like we're stuck on it. Alright.
Hold this one, baby? Are we gonna go to the dock?
I'm gonna get them off and I'm just gonna go back over there real quick, so you guys stay with me. We'll get the key.
Alright, here comes the boat. It's being lifted out of the water with the Megatron. And they made us get off the boat and everything was good. The boat was getting hauled out. It sure looks a lot bigger out of the water. They had the pressure washer guy come over and spray off all the junk and give it a nice clean before she got moved over and put on the chocks. We got the boat hauled out of the water. We're in Rhode Island at it's called Newport Boat Works, something like that. But super top notch. Everybody's really nice, and it's coming out of the water. So we're gonna go relax. They're gonna clean it, put it on blocks, and we're gonna go back and have some lunch.
You were fine. What's going on here? Let's see him.
Hmm?
You don't understand what's going on.
Look, right here, everybody.
Where is your head? Over here. Oh, you were fine. I didn't know it was gonna be so fast like that. I didn't grab my water. I didn't have lunch. Let's see if we find something in the store. The marine store, but I remember I saw something right here. I think at least water.
Oh, here we are. We're hauled out. We're on blocks. And everything is good. Just gotta figure out a few things like how to get on board. And we'll be okay. Oh man.
Ugh. This is different. I never saw like that. Cool, right? Look, the propeller. Oh wow, before I thought propellers was huge. Look, the size of this propeller.
Tie it off. You can walk up with no hands, alright?
Can you hold? Can you come back? We are not in the water anymore, okay? Can you not go there, please? Go up. Up there. Up there. Come on. Yeah, good boy. No, no. Not right here. Keep going. Keep going.
Alright. Okay, well we're back. We've been working non-stop this week getting ready to leave. And we had our final meetings with our project manager. We got all that done, we got it squared away. We emptied out all the refrigeration, threw out all the trash, got the heads ready.
All the cushions is inside too.
Yeah, we got all the cushions inside. Yeah, and all of our day-to-day stuff. It's hard when you live here and you have to leave for 6 weeks. It's hard packing up your life, but that's life. So we're ready to hit the road. We got to request an Uber, walk about a half a mile with 150 pounds of luggage and a 20-pound cat. And yeah, so that's all we got to say. We'll tune back in later.
See you.
Goodbye from Rhode Island. Alright, that's it. It's hard to leave. I feel like we're missing something, but I think we're good.